TikTok Lite restriction mode off. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you about the TikTok Lite restriction mode off. So on TikTok Lite restriction mode off, I'm gonna teach you how to turn it off. But most of the time, if your TikTok restriction is on, which means somebody has used your TikTok, or maybe your parents has control over the parental control, and they put it on your TikTok Lite as well, like restriction mode. So now I'm gonna teach you how to turn it off. There you go. If you are now fully grown. Anyways, guys, to turn off restriction mode, all you need to just click on me on the bottom right corner. After pressing on me right there, you will see three dots on the top right corner. Press on the three dots on the top right corner. After pressing the three dots on the top right corner, you will see just below promote settings and privacy. Press on settings privacy. It's just that. And here you will see content preference. Press on the content preference right there. After pressing the content preference right there, you will see restricted mode, and as you will see right now it's off. Press on it right there. Now as you can see, if it's turned on, that will you will have limited content that may not be comfortable for all audience. And here, if you find content that makes you uncomfortable while in restriction mode, you can report it to help us improve. There we go. But as you can see right now, it is turned off for me. But if it's turned on, it will show this. There you go. There you go. What made you turn on? Blah blah blah. There's so much more. And to turn it off, you would need to enter. For example, right here, click on the three dots. Depending if you have a password or what, click on the settings right there. Then content preference, restriction mode, and turn off. There you go. And if you have a password, if you have a password, you need to add in the password before you can turn it off. So there you go, guys. That's how I do it. After you shake the video, if you enjoyed, if you have any questions, start with the question below, guys. Let us as soon as possible. And there you guys. Thank you, guys.